Okay, this is the one. If you look down in there, you can see all the bees on top of this burl comb that they built on top of the frame. I'm gonna pull that out and inspect that and gently. And that is a very healthy frame right there. There's larvae mixed in with some honey there. Lots of honey on that side. Don't see the queen, but I'm going to go ahead. This is going in my new box here because these guys are awesome. And let's see. Oh, this is good. Let me show you this. Okay, this is a frame I barely put in last weekend, and you can see how they're starting to build the comb, and they've already built comb there on this brand new frame. So that's another really good sign of a healthy box. So these guys are my top box, even though it's the smallest box I have. And gently pry that away. Okay, let's check out this one. Okay, here's a fairly new frame. They're doing something kind of weird right there with the comb. But there's just so many bees in this box. So it's just incredible. Okay. Go ahead and move this one down here. Okay. Alright, let's see what else we got over here. I don't want to leave this box too empty, but I'm kind of looking for pests too. Okay, this one, as you can see, has larvae, has honey. There's a, let's see, I don't know if you can see this. That is a queen cup right there. The odd looking cell. They're building a new queen. So, I'm probably going to put this one in here too, because we're going to need a new queen. Okay. Now, we just need to put new frames in here. We got our new frames. I'll always have plenty of frames built. Uh-oh, fire's out of control. Okay, close that. Okay. Wow, what a hive this is. These guys are going to be ultra successful, no doubt.